Hello, welcome. Let's start learning PHP. So first you'll need these things. So you'll need one Sublime text. Go and install this. Second, if you are a Windows user, install WAMP, and Mac user MAMP. Go and first install these two things. So after you do that, open your Sublime text. So open Sublime text and open WAMP or MAMP, whatever you installed. Okay, so you'll see like this. Okay, green button. So let's write our first PHP script. So one thing, if you know little bit PHP, or if you know PHP, you can skip this learning PHP thing and direct jump to object oriented, or if you already know object oriented, you can jump to Laravel. So let's write our first PHP script. So we'll write PHP in this code, single quote and question mark and PHP, like that. Okay, so if you're only writing PHP, that's okay. uh, so if you are only writing PHP, you can just keep writing your PHP script from here. So if you are writing PHP in your PHP and HTML scripts in one file, so you need to close this tag like so. Okay, so this is our PHP script. So inside this tag we'll write our PHP script. So let's save this. Let's save this into your www folder in XAMPP. So let's go to where is installed WAMP or MAMP, and XAMPP is also okay if you want to install. So go to your www folder, and here you have to install, you have to save everything you'll do from onward. So I'm going to save this as index.php. Okay, so this is our so now file is saved. So now we are good to write our, so first script we'll write is echo hi world. So like this, echo means to echo this, to print this on screen. So save this and go to browser, and we'll write local host slash index dot enter, and yeah, here it is, hi world. So this is our first script. So next we'll talk about variables. So for example, if we want to replace this thing with whatever we want, so we have to define variable. In PHP we define variable like so, $sign and name of variable. So I will give it name. So John. So this, now here we can replace that with that variable, name. So make sure that your script is inside these double quotes, otherwise it will not work. So let's switch to browser and refresh that. Yeah, hi John. Okay, so this is how we define variable. This is we are assigning string John to this name, John and Tom. So this is also valid, John and Tom. So we are assigning this string to this name variable. We can also assign integer like 200. So let's switch and refresh that. Hi 200. Okay, so we can assign string, integer, or floating variable 3.14. This is floating point, so floating variable float. Okay, so similarly we can assign boolean, so true or false is boolean. So in this case, true means 1 and false means 0. So this is false. Okay, 0. So 0 is not shown here. Okay, so true means 1, false means 0. So this is how we define variable in PHP, $sign and name of variable. Okay, so name of variable are case sensitive. This name and name are different. Okay, this name and other name, this name are different. Okay, okay, if we say name, it will show Harry, not Ram. So let's save this first. Harry. Okay, so variable name is case sensitive. Okay, so next, arrays. One way to define array is array, then give name here chess football, like so. So this is how we define array. Another way to define array is bracket, like so. Both are valid, so we'll give it games2 and games1. So we can comment that this slash. Okay, so to access the element of array, we'll type like so: hi games. So this is 0, this is 0, 1 and 2. So if we put here 0, we'll access hi chess. So let's check that out, chess. Okay, if 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 will be nothing. Yeah, we'll get notice. So 2 will be basketball. Yeah, so this is how we access the array. There is another kind of array called associative array. Let's define associative array. So this is the associative array. I've given name games assos for associative array. You can give whatever name you want. So this is the key to access this value. So previously in this simple array, we are accessing that chess variable value by giving 2 key. Sorry, 0, 1, 2 basketball, 2 for basketball. Okay, this is the key to access this variable. Okay, so in order to access this associative array, so we'll use this dot to concatenate variable with this string. Okay, so we'll give name games assos and we give key like so, and okay, so now if we go and refresh that, hi basketball. So if we want to give a space, we give like so. Yeah, so this is how we access associative array. So if it were no associative array, okay, we can also give like so, like so. Okay, both are same. So let's talk about if statement. So if you want to compare two variables, so if these two variables are equal, then we echo matched. Okay, so if name equals to double equals to sign to compare and single equals sign to assign the value to variable. So if name equals to food, we'll echo matched. Okay, so like so, matched. Okay, so if that is not equals, what we'll do? Else, if that is not equal, echo not matched. So for in this case it is matched. So if we give Harry 2, it will say not matched. Okay, this is how we use if statement. Next we'll talk about loops. So let's delete this. Let's define variable like count equals to 1. Let's first talk about for loops. So for we define like, so we will initialize value like I equals to 0, I is less than 20, and I will increase by 1, will echo high. So let's run this. We don't need this count value, so it will echo the high for 20 times. So let's just skip br tag so that we'll see it clearly. So it will start from 0. I will execute up until I is less than 20, and will increase I every time by 1 every time we go through loop. Okay, so this is how we do for loop. So now let's talk about while loop. So let's do the same thing with while loop. While something is less than, we'll give count. Okay, while count is less than 20, we'll do this bit of code, echo high. So in this case we have to increase the count by, the plus was is same as count equals to count plus 1. So in order to, we have to define count here like so. Sorry, better not. Count equals to 0. So first count is 0, and we'll increase the count by 1 every time we move on. Okay, so $sign is needed, I forgot that. So count will increase count by number 1. So this is the shorthand notation, count plus plus. Okay, so here also you need $sign, I forgot that. So this will also echo the high for 20 number of times. Yeah, 1 2 3. So let's just echo that count also, echo count. Let's keep some space. Yeah, 0 to 20. Okay, so one thing here is it is repeating up for 21 times. So 0 to 20 means 21. What you do is, so while loops, yeah, this is how we do while loop. Next is very important loop. What we use in Laravel is for each loop. So for each loop is, for each loop, let's define one array called again games. So this is our array. Now we use for each loop, for each. So this is the syntax of for each loop. For each any variable, in this case games as key and value. Key means the key of this, which is 0 1 2. You can also give key like so. So the key will be mined here and value will be chess. So it will repeat for 1 2 3 times. Okay, so it will assign that games variable to like so key and value. This will be very useful to loop the database objects. and these associative arrays. So we'll echo this is key. What is key? Dot key. This is how we concatenate variable with string. This is a string and we are concatenating by using this dot sign symbol and concatenating this variable. Again we are concatenating or adding this string to this variable. Okay, so this is key and this is value of that key. Yeah, that should do work. Value, let's see what it gives us. Let's keep br tag again. Yeah, just mind and ping pong stick hockey. Okay, so this is all about loops. So now let's talk about functions. So in PHP we define function like so function and name of function. So hello and this parenthesis and like so echo hello. Okay, this is a very simple function. So in order to call this function will do nothing. So if we go to browser and refresh this, we'll get nothing because this function will not do anything unless we call it. So let's call this so hello and we call function like so. So if we call that, we'll get hello. Okay, so also we can pass argument with this. So argument can be anything, any name. So greet. Okay, we'll show here greet, echo greet. Okay, so if we refresh that, we'll get notice because we are not passing anything to this function. So here we'll pass echo hi. So we'll get hi, echo damn, we'll get damn. Okay, this is how we pass argument. We can pass more than one argument like so greet and say, echo greet, echo say. We don't need this, while calling while showing these variables. This is optional. So damn man, yeah, damn man, come on, let's just line break here. Complete feature is okay. Now if we reload, damn man. Okay, this is how we pass the argument to function. First thing is greet, so we echo this here first, damn. Second one is man, so this is what we pass here. Okay, this is all about function. So I know I have not covered everything here because we'll cover as we build the project. Okay, so this is for now and we'll cover more topics as we go along. So bye.